Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. Today we're going to talk about pressure cookers. I love pressure cookers. They save you so much time when you're cooking in the kitchen. This one is 6 quarts. It has a 99-minute countdown timer. It has lots of great features. It has low pressure, high pressure. You can brown using it. You can also saute. You can simmer, and it also has a keep warm feature. All you have to do is pick what you're going to do, so low pressure, high pressure, then the time you're going to cook it. So say we're going to cook it for 10 minutes, then you hit start. And what will happen is this little light here will blink until it's up to whatever pressure or cooking method you're going to be using. And then once that happens, it'll start counting down the cooking time. And when it's done, it'll beep to let you know it's finished. And then what will happen is you'll either release the pressure naturally or you'll release the pressure quickly. The quick release method is basically you move the pressure valve so the steam comes out very quickly. The natural release method is you wait until the product itself releases the pressure, and then at that point you will be able to open the lid. Our specially designed lid is made so that you cannot open the pressure cooker until the pressure is totally released. Today what we did was, just so you can see some of the things that you can make with using your pressure cooker, is we actually made a lentil soup. Now I already made sure the pressure was released from here so that I could get the lid off to show you the lentil soup. But look how beautiful this looks. It's so easy to use. Like I mentioned, it's 6 quarts and the pot is removable. And we made a really, really gorgeous lentil soup, which is very healthy. And the one nice thing about pressure cookers is that an item like a lentil or a bean, which takes you a really long time to cook, can be cooked very, very quickly using the pressure cooker. It also comes with a trivet, which you can use to do different methods of cooking. But like I said, you can use a pressure cooker. It saves you so much time in the kitchen. It's really great, it's really versatile, and it can be used for so many different things. And there you have it, the Cuisinart pressure cooker.